Yeah, welcome to my channel. I want to share with you how I prepare my vegetable stew. So that's my leaf, ugu leaf. We call it ugu leaf in Nigeria, but the English name is pumpkin leaf, fluted pumpkin leaf. So I'm going to slice it. So after I've finished slicing it, I will now slice the other leaf because I'm using two leaves, two different type of vegetables. So this one is the pumpkin leaf that I'm slicing. So when I'm through with this, I will now do the other species of vegetable. That's the species that I want to use. The second vegetable, we call this one spinach. Spinach, that is the name for this leaf, the English name, but in Nigeria we call it grain or shoko. So I've already sliced that also. So I'm going to add animal skin. That is the cow skin. We call it pomo. So the cow skin, that is pomo. That is what I'm cutting. I'm cutting it bit by bit. That is the system I want to use to prepare the stew vegetable. So after I've trimmed it, I've already chopped the pomo. So that is it. I've done it. So you see, this is the spinach leaf vegetable. So I boiled hot water and I pour it on it, make it, and it shrink. So I'm using a stick to turn it. So I'm washing it with cold water after I've used the hot water. So that is it. So I'll now keep it aside. The ugu is there. Ugu, I'm going to use cold water to wash the ugu later. That is the ugu, that is the pumpkin leaf. So my hot oil, palm oil with chopped onions in the fire, and my tomatoes, fresh tomatoes, and chili pepper and crayfish that I blended. I pour it in. Then I wanna add the pomo, that is the cow skin, so that because you know it's hard, the toughness of the texture. I want to soften it. That's why I put it in the soup earlier. So I'll now stir the stew. So after stirring and I left it for like 10 minutes before I now put the vegetable. So I like the pepper to dry a bit before I pour the vegetable. So I've poured the two vegetable, the ugu leaf, which is the pumpkin leaf, and the spinach leaf, which is the chocolate or green. I've poured everything in this stew. So now I'm adding salt and seasoning. So the fresh fish that I'm adding is call it kote in Nigeria. We call it kote fish. That's the name we give it. So that is the fresh fish. I boiled it. I parboiled it before adding it to the soup. I parboiled it before adding it to the soup. So now the soup is almost ready. So let me test it and see. So it's just a very simple soup. Now it's ready for me to serve and eat. So the food is ready. It's a very simple and easy to make soup. There's no much ingredient on this vegetable stew. So in this stew, this vegetable stew, you can use it to eat swallow. You can also use it to eat rice. You can use it to eat yam or plantain. So that is it. So I'm using this to eat swallow. So maybe later, maybe the following day, I might use it to eat rice. So that is how I was able to finish the preparation of the soup, and I'm eating the soup now. So that is it. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done that. Also, give me like button and hit the notification bell so that you can receive new videos, notice of new videos from me. Thank you for watching. Bye.